Hello, and welcome to room 1015 at the Margaritaville in San Diego. Would you like to see our room? Come on in. All right, so here we have a 2-queen suite villa. Not sure what title they want to give it, but come on in. Pretty spacious room, as you can see. We have 2 nice queen-size beds. There are some overhead lighting on this side of the bed here, and as well as on the far side over there. You have your everyday alarm clock. On the alarm clock, you do have a couple of plugs. Looks like they're just regular standard plugs, so keep that in mind. Looks like you've got some USB ports right down here. So those will be your handy USB ports. In-room phone, of course. And then your other queen-size bed. Air conditioner feels really nice, by the way. This is summertime in San Diego, and air conditioner is working really good in here. Okay, this is a room that happens to overlook the pool area. So we have a great view of the pool, the margarita bar, where we will be hanging out at, and some good people watching. You guys know that I'm all about my people watching. So, okay, the room here looks like these are just, okay, so yeah, we do have the darkening shade here to pull down, and then we've got curtains that can add to the ambiance. Nice sized desk right here. So, counter space if you needed to do any kind of writing. Sorry, all of our personal stuff is here. We just got here, we're super excited. Right inside here, we've got some decent drawers for your storage. Looks like we've got 2 of those. And some more shelves, just open shelving right here. And then what do we have behind this door? Oh yeah, we got ourselves a little mini fridge. That is stocked by us, not what Margaritaville provided, so that was ours. Good size TV, as you guys can see right here, so for your entertainment purposes, yeah, nice adequate TV. Love all the margarita decorations that they got going on in here. They got some price tags listed, so in case you guys do want to buy any of this stuff, you can purchase it on your own. And then, of course, we do also have the in-room coffee maker, a little nice small single-size Keurig. They've got your coffees. This one looks like it's medium roast. You got some English blend, so your basic coffee setup. Did find out downstairs that the waters are complimentary. So, and we did ask to get a couple more, so thank you, Margaritaville. This one is not, do not drink the one that has the big price tag. Okay, and then, yeah, okay, so we showed you guys the fridge. Oh, here, inside the closet, we have your standard safe, as you can see, and then there's also the luggage rack. Looks like we've got a couple of very beautiful Margarita hotel robes, and then of course your average iron and ironing board. So that's a nice feature. So those are always good to have inside the hotel room. Over here, right behind us, is your air conditioning controls. Pretty basic, hot and cold. Love that there's a barn slider door on the bathroom. Love that. Opens and closes really nice. Okay, super huge tub. Pull open glass door. As you can see, it looks like there is a jet tub in there. So you've got your jets, and they do supply the shampoo and conditioner and all the goodies. And then check this out, guys. Glass, but it's cut out so you can flip on your water. This is wonderful. I love it. I love it. Okay, and then everything else here is pretty standard and basic. Got a couple of drawers right here in the cabinets. Got your hair dryer in here, so we do have a hair dryer for those that want it. All of your towels are down here, your toiletries. There is some hand wash in a bottle and some moisturizer that they do provide here as well. And yeah, this bathroom is really good size in here. I mean, it's, you know, it's spacious and definitely good size bathroom. All right, guys. Well, hope you liked our bathroom tour. Hope you liked our hotel tour. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Don't forget to check out more videos. Thanks for watching.